gonna check this double-story hotel out. Gonna walk in there. That's a good look.
Yeah, and she said, you know what? I was good. I don't really care. They were there, they had fun.
Oh, it looks nice. Quite interesting. Look at this in Tibooburra. Hi, Adam.
Hi there.
Very nice. With the cold beers. And there's a wood fire there too. You can sit there and have a nice meal. Hello, we are in the two-story Tibooburra hotel. And hello, Adam.
Hello, how are you doing?
Yeah, good, mate.
Yeah.
So, can you tell us a little bit more about this place?
Yeah, so this hotel was built 138 years ago. It's built from original quarried sandstone.
Yeah.
So it's sandstone out of the local area.
Yeah.
It was renovated 5 years ago.
5 years ago.
Yeah, you can see it's still got some of the original sandstone and all the original ceilings, the beams there. So.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
And you are from this local area, or?
No, so I'm from Ireland.
From Ireland?
Ireland,
All the way.
yeah,
Here you go, from Ireland.
Yeah.
All right. So you come from Ireland straight to Tibooburra, or you went somewhere else?
No, so I've been travelling in Australia. So I arrived into Perth in Western Australia.
Yeah.
And then I lived in Bondi before I came here. So Bondi in Sydney.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then came up here.
Yeah, and you like it living here and working here in the outback?
Yeah, it's a real experience. Yeah. You meet some characters.
Some characters.
Yeah.
I bet there'll be a lot of characters around here.
Yeah, a lot of stories to tell. So.
Yeah, all right. What's the history about Tibooburra? I heard there are a lot of gold mining, gold rush, or you know.
Yeah. So the town is actually a gold rush town.
Yeah.
Yes. So it was built on the gold rush basically.
On the gold rush.
It's still very, very popular today for prospecting. And gold detecting.
Yeah, I have seen some people prospecting today too. So they were finding some gold.
Yeah. No, there's still some out there. Yeah.
All right. And apart from then, plenty of beers. Have you got a meals and accommodation in the hotel too?
Yeah. So we have 7 hotel rooms here.
7 hotel rooms. Yeah.
Yeah. And a very extensive menu. So meals are very good.
All right.
Yeah.
Nice. I'll be checking out your meals tonight then.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Thanks, Adam. Thanks for your information.
No problem at all. Thank you.
Here's Adam. Adam,
Yes.
could you please show us some gold?
Yeah.
here?
So you see here actually in the bar.
In the bar.
Yeah, we have flakes of gold that go right across the bar.
You kidding me? That's gold, is it?
That's gold in there, yes. There's a few bits along here.
That's all gold in the bar.
Yeah, so that comes off the station in Gumville.
Oh, wow, there's a lot of gold in it. Have a look, guys. This is the gold from Tibooburra. Can I have a bit of that?
Yeah.
A bit of the gold?
Yeah.
What else is here? Can you
Yeah, so I'll show you over here. We also have a pocket watch in the bar here.
a watch?
Yeah.
So what's the history about that?
So the current owner of the pub, her grandfather owned the pub as well, and that's actually his watch in the bar here.
Yeah, is it? It's 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
Watch.
Yeah, it's 5 o'clock somewhere.
Yeah, 5 o'clock somewhere. Yeah, nice. It's very interesting, isn't it?
Yeah, nice bit of history.
Yeah, nice bit of history. Plenty of cold beers. Yeah, thanks, Adam. Hello, Gresh. How are you, Mighty?
Good.
So I just saw you doing a bit of prospecting here today.
Yeah, just out here looking for a bit of good yellow stuff.
Yeah, a bit of gold.
Bit of gold, yes.
Did you find anything today?
Oh, only a couple of tiny bits.
Have you?
Yep.
Can we have a look?
Yes, you certainly can.
Yeah.
You want to?
Yeah, gold. That's what we were talking about, finding gold in the area.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Yep. They all in there?
Yeah, there are 4 in there.
Okay. Yes.
Oh, that's pretty.
That's the size we find out here. Look at
That's
it.
pure gold, isn't it?
Oh,
You're going to be internationally known.
Gresh, he have found some gold,
yep.
little ones, and we wish he can find a big nugget. Yeah,
We live in hope.
yeah, we hope. Here, Gresh, we better put this back in here.
Put that back
Bottle
in there. Don't lose them. They're very valuable.
Yeah, they're all in there.
Yes.
Yeah, so where are you from, Gresh?
We're from Foster in New South Wales.
From
Yep,
New South
yep,
Wales?
Yep.
And you've been coming here from a long time?
Oh, too long. Yeah.
Too long?
About 10 years. Yeah.
10 years?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. Trying to find the big one.
Big nugget?
Yep.
And you reckon you'll find them one day? Hopefully.
No, hopefully. That's what we live in hope of.
Yeah,
Yep,
all right.
Yep.
Yeah. And what do you think about Tibooburra? Like, you would know more about the area than me.
Lovely place. Yeah, nice, quiet town
Yeah.
out in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, other than gold, I think coming in this atmosphere is gold in itself because we
Oh, it is.
because we
yeah.
got the peace and the serenity.
You know, it's great to get out here and
It's just wonderful.
Yep,
Yeah.
get away from the madding crowd.
Yeah, and you have got your team with you too today?
Team.
Yeah,
Oh yes, I'd definitely.
yeah, yeah. Would you like to invite someone here?
Oh no, well, someone, anyone?
You're very shy, yeah?
They're very, yeah, okay. Put that away. Put that away.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, oh,
She doesn't
good.
need the phone.
Yeah. Oh, thanks, Gresh.
This is Leslie.
Yep.
Yep.
Hello, Leslie. Yeah, so you are in the same team, are you?
I am the boss of the team.
Oh, you're the boss.
I am.
Yep.
And
Yeah.
I was the gold detector before he was, so.
Yeah.
right, so
she
you
she
brought
got us into this.
So you brought him into
Hobby.
this trade.
Yes.
And we have got
Yeah, I'm Ray.
Rai,
Sue.
sir, and you coming here from a long time too?
Oh, it's about our 4th year.
Yeah.
4th year?
Fourth trip, yep.
4th, and you're 8 or 12?
About 10. 10
About
or 11,
10,
yeah.
10,
yeah, we keep
10.
lose track after all these
Yeah.
years. Yeah.
And you've been friends before, or you just?
No,
we
we
met out
met
here
out.
years
we
ago.
met here.
Yeah, oh,
Yeah, we met at the caravan park and then
Probably
just
2
started
years
to
ago.
get together.
yeah, friendships in the outback, isn't it? It's
Ah,
wonderful. You meet the people you meet when you're traveling is just wonderful.
Yes.
They
Yes.
are.
Well, they do.
Yeah.
Been to Western Australia a bit, so they get out in a big way.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we go this year,
Yeah.
so this is about the only spot we can come.
Stay in New South Wales at the moment.
Yeah.
Stay.
All the borders closed.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. Nice talking to you all.
Thank you.
And I hope you all find a big gold nuggets.
We do too.
Yeah.
It would be
Thanks,
lovely.
guys.
Huge. Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
We are at the Golden Valley mine site, just about over 2 kilometers out of Tibooburra. So we're just gonna have a look around and check out a bit of the history. This is a walkway to the mine site, and we'll go and have a look what's there. Enjoy the beautiful day. We are at the Golden Gully mine site. Beautiful. Historic. Third measure. Hello, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and I think this is a time for us to say bye for now, because the roads we were going to go on tomorrow, they were closed because of the heavy rainfall in last couple of days, and it will take more than 3 or 4 days for them to dry up. So we don't have that sort of time at the moment, so we will be heading back to Broken Hill tomorrow morning. And and we will be back with more videos from other parts of Australia. Thank you for your support and your company, and stay safe. Keep watching IP Creations Australia. Thanks.
you.